So the next topic will be on service request messages. So messages are nothing but messages is basically a related object to service request, and message in real time will be something like communication, uh, email communication uh, between customer and agent, or through agent to agent. So to have these conversations, so we will use this messages object. So basically, when a service request is created, agent will need to send a response, right? So to the end customer, so he will need to send some response. So in that case, so we agent will go to the messages screen, and he will choose a type as response, and he will select the customer who is in usually it will be primary contact of the SN, and they'll give the title, or title and description, just like an email. So he will select who is uh, in CCC or BCC. So he can choose all of those the email format, and then he can send an email. So message here is nothing but email. So there are different types for this. A single SR. So single SR can have multiple messages. So with different types. And those are these there will be four types of messages: customer entry, response, forward, and internal notes. So customer entry is nothing but when you send a response is from agent to primary contact or customer, right? That is response. So to this response, if customer replied, and that that reply message uh, will be categorized as customer entry message type, because the customer entered that message. Or on behalf of customer, agent can also add the same message. So let's say agent called to to customer, and on behalf of agent, so a sorry, on behalf of customer, agent itself will add a message. So in that case, agent can choose customer entry as a message type. Forward, this is nothing but okay. So before that, internal notes is within team members. Suppose if there is any communication that needs to be passed to other colleagues or other agents, so then we can choose this internal notes. This internal notes will not be visible to the customers. And forward is it's like a forwarding entire email thread, right? So to a particular email or end customer also. Okay. So here, uh, when we forward messages, so it doesn't include the internal notes. It forwards only the response and customer entry or any system response. So there will be one more type, basically, that is system response. So system response is nothing but whenever a system creates an email, right? So that will be tagged as system response. So that type is also we can include it. So the example will be like auto generated. auto-generated emails, right? So that comes from system. So that will be tagged as system response emails. Now we will see a few of the types in the system. Now let's go to service request and service center. Okay. So here we can see compose an email. Um, so start internal conversation. So this is something like the internal notes. Okay, so you can select the team members and you can send an email with attachments. Okay, and there will be channels. There will be different types of channels. So to which we need to send. So if it is an email, so then we need to select and then compose an email. Capture customer message. This is similar to customer entry. Okay. So like this, we can create. We can do a communication. So we will see a detailed demo. So in the next session.